How to fix bad mood in Umamusume. So in Umamusume, there are six activities you can do during a career session. This is to have fun moments with your trainee Uma via the recreation tab. So located over here in the bottom section or the lower half, which is recreation over here, it primarily increases the mood of the current trainee or UMA you are training by one or two levels. So as you can see over here, you can just go ahead and choose that. You can press this do not show again so that you can just enter it immediately, but you can choose not to as well. But anyways, this does recharge the Uma's energy or the trainee, since aside from mood, it provides a small energy boost to the character, which can help sustain your training session and reduce failures on crucial turns. So you can note that rest still provides a better boost to energy than recreation. So use this feature instead if your Uma really needs to reciprocate uh, their energy. So you can start recreation by checking the friendship gauges at the start. So you can expend more energy in first in training at the early parts of your trainee who must career, then check your friendship gauges on the right before conducting recreation events in order to get the most benefit of it. Since right now our energy is full and our mood is still in a good uh, level right here, but if it's low, we can increase it over here in the recreation um, option or the recreation activity. But that's pretty much how you can increase or fix the mood in Umamusume. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.